Hi, this is Jane. Welcome to my kitchen. Wow, do I have a quick and easy appetizer recipe for you. So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we're going to soften our cream cheese. Then we're gonna add our mayonnaise and mix that together. And then I'm gonna add my seasoning. And these are actually called creamy cucumber baguettes. So we'll mix this all together. There we go, that doesn't take long. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spread them on our baguette. And I'm gonna add a fresh slice of cucumber. And then I'm gonna take our Four Brothers dillweed seasoning and just sprinkle a little bit on each. Wow, doesn't that recipe look fantastic? And look at how elegant and easy it was to do. So make sure to get on to celebratemore.com/Jane's Recipes. Not only check this recipe out, but many more. Make sure to enjoy, and we'll see you soon.